guys, and welcome to Buffy the Vampire Slayer Season 2, Episode 2. I'm super excited. Last episode was not what I expected it to be. It was more kind of a show of what Buffy went through as like trauma and just like talking about basically what happened last episode to make it this bad, to make not talking about last one, but like showing that it has like that being a slayer, being in this supernatural world has effects on her, which is realistic, and I love that. I was last time kind of scared. I was scared that it was gonna be like an entire season of her just being bitchy because of her trauma. Which I mean, it could have been explained, but I was just not looking forward to the group splitting apart, and I'm glad it does not. So now I'm just excited. I'm just excited to see what's happening next, because to like so many people are like, oh my god, season 2 is so the best. I'm like, okay. Apart from season 2, like people are saying mid season 2 it gets so much better. So I'm like, okay, I want to get there now. So yeah. Sorry, I don't really have anything else to say, so let's just get into it.
Stefan, rise and shine. Some of us have a ton of paperwork waiting.
Stefan?
Hey, is this a bad time?
Are you crazy? You don't just sneak up on people in the graveyard.
When you first wake up, it's a little disorienting. He'll show.
It's weird to think of you going through that.
It's weird to go through.
Oh, yeah.
So, you're here alone?
Nope. Why? Are you jealous?
Because of...
Oh, Sander? Please. He's just a kid.
Is it because I danced with
Yeah,
you?
that's what I'm about to say.
Danced with is
I only did to make you crazy, by the way. Behold my success.
a... not jealous.
You're not jealous. What, vampires don't get jealous?
See? Whenever we fight, you always bring up the vampire.
Well, I didn't... right, I did.
Go, Buffy! Go, Buffy! Oh. The guy just becomes a vampire, and you're like, well, time to die again.
What do you mean he's just a kid? Does that mean I'm just a kid too?
Yeah, the same age.
Obviously... You okay?
Fine.
Looks kind of comfortable.
Vampire has risen tonight.
Well, don't they need to suck somebody's
I
blood?
don't think so. Look at those tracks.
I just saw a bunch of grass, bro.
She was dragged.
Oh, they like dragged her body. Oh, that's kind of not fun. It's gonna be a bit like angst with Buffy and Angel. My god. Indecorous.
A social engagement.
Who are you talking to?
If you're amenable.
He's practicing.
Idiot!
Well, I guess we never realized how much you like that show.
I was just working on.
Your pickup lines, yeah.
In a manner of speaking, yes.
Speak English, not whatever they speak in,
England.
Yeah. You just say, hey, I got a thing, you maybe have a thing, maybe we could have a thing.
Oh, thank you, Cyrano. Mexicans?
No, the food.
Mexican. Food. You take her for food, for which you then pay.
Oh, right.
So this chairwoman, we are talking Miss
Yeah,
Gallagher, right?
obviously.
What makes you
She already knows
Right.
that you're a school librarian, so you don't have to worry about how to break that embarrassing news to her.
And she's the only woman we've actually ever seen speak to you. Add it up, it all spells duh.
Now is it time
This is none of your business.
to the whole
Just
smoke
suddenly?
smoke screen?
So,
Try not to laugh.
how did things go last night? Did Mr. Korshak show up on schedule?
More or
On
less.
schedule.
Angel and I took care of him.
Angel.
This one was dug up and the body was taken out.
Grave robbing. That's new. Interesting.
I
knew
wouldn't
you
con-
wanted to say gross and disgusting.
Yeah, not
It is,
interesting.
of course, a terrible thing. Must put a stop to it. Damn it.
So,
Meredith Todd. Ring a bell?
Nope.
She died recently. She was our age.
Oh,
drawing a blank.
maybe it's an
Why don't
invisible
we ask
girl
Bella
again.
To fire this thing up.
Smile.
Hey!
That's kind of creepy.
Oh, look at those legs. No, thank you.
Eric, will you knock it off?
Hey, Chris.
Hey.
Who's Chris?
Oh, I just thought I'd see what I'm up against.
You know what the key is? If Dr. Clark doesn't understand your experiment, he gives you higher marks, so it looks like he understands your experiment. Effects
That
of
works.
subviolet-
Not fair that they're making participation in this year's science fair mandatory.
Oh, you have to
I don't
do?
think anyone should have to do anything educational in school if they don't want to.
The tomato, fruit or vegetable?
I wanted to do something I could finish in a weekend, all right?
Loves you.
I didn't think
It's kind of
polar bears
creepy.
came out of hibernation till spring.
It's for my private collection.
Eric, will you quit it?
Coming through. Sorry. Sorry to interrupt, Willow, but it's the bat signal.
Okay, sure.
You're creepy with your camera. Fuck off.
Cordelia is so fine. You know, she'd be just perfect for us.
Don't be an idiot. She's alive.
Ah!
It's a fruit. I would have asked Chris to help me, but then that would have brought back too many memories of Daryl.
I found it. Meredith Todd died in a car accident last week.
Of course, I have learned to deal with my pain.
She's not even listening. Maybe. Nice. Didn't even know what was happening.
All were killed instantly. They were all on the Fondren High Pep squad, on the way to a game.
Why is it that every conversation you people have has the word corpse in it?
Okay, so we got a body snatcher. What does that mean?
Here's what I've
Well, we found it.
Demons who eat the flesh of the dead to absorb their souls. Or it could obviously be a voodoo practitioner.
You mean
Would
You
require
need a zombie to be a voodoo?
So we should see
Priest?
if the other girls from the accident are AWOL too. Maybe we can figure out what this creep has in
AWOL?
mind if we know whether or not he's dealing in volume.
I don't know what it is, but I don't remember.
oh boy, a field trip. You gonna call Angel? Pack some food. Who else likes those little donuts?
I do.
Cordelia?
Darn, I have cheerleader practice tonight. Boy, I wish I knew you were going to be digging up dead people sooner. I would have canceled.
All right, but if you come across the army of zombies, can you pay just before they eat your flesh?
The little gasp. Oh, this is the best. I don't have time to react to commentary because it just keeps coming.
To dance with him?
Am I ever gonna live that down?
Nope. It's even on the intro. It's gonna stay for at least 22 episodes.
Love makes you do the wacky.
That's the truth.
You know, this might...
To believe that men dig up the corpses and that women have the babies. So, speaking of the
Okay,
wacky,
so
what was Cordelia's whole riff about painful memories?
yeah.
Daryl.
Daryl Epps, Chris's older brother.
Ah,
He was a big football star, all-state 2 years ago.
he died
He was
too.
a running. Then Chris has been real quiet.
Oh,
Kind of
wait,
in his
Chris
own
is the guy she was talking
way.
to.
I heard them
Wait,
run it-
who was her boyfriend in the last episode?
Sorry, I can't control music from the audio cable, but I have silenced line in.
Okay. No, but seriously, who was her boyfriend? Ah, what was his name? Kevin? Maybe Kevin? Poor Kevin.
Didn't even leave the house.
Amen, Kevin.
I think we're there.
I mean, the last time
By
they
the
left
way,
the...
Are we hoping to find a body or no body?
Call me an optimist, but I'm hoping to find a fortune in gold doubloons.
That would be nice.
Body would.
Pathetic much? Move over.
I mean, you didn't dig at all of it. So?
Led by our
Oh, she actually had cheer practice? I thought she just, like, faked an excuse. She's gonna be snatched by the guys from before. That's for sure. But I like that she's, like, more of the main character now. Are you here to kill me? And take my body for nefarious purposes? Ooh, what do you have in your hand? Oh no, it's just your card keys in it. Get in the car, get in the car. Oh shit. Bro. Ah shit. Poor Cordelia. It's taken too many times, bro. Ooh, nice. She's gonna get taken though. Yep.
Cordelia, this is the last place I expected you to hang out.
God, it's you. Why were you following me?
I wasn't sure it was.
Is that Angel?
I'm looking for Buffy.
There.
How does she always find herself in this situation is crazy.
So both coffins are empty. That makes
Xander, Angel, I thought you were taking the night off.
I was, but something came up.
No, she
Cordelia,
did.
tell me the truth.
It's got to be a first.
As long as you're here.
But he's been digging up the bodies of dead girls.
I know. We found some of them.
You mean like 2 of the 3?
I mean, like some of them. Like parts.
It's horrible. Angel saved me from an arm. God to me.
On that one, I gotta agree.
So much for
Carva.
I don't get it. Why go to all the trouble to dig up 3 girls only to chop them up and throw them away? It doesn't make get yuckier.
Yeah.
Probably kept the other parts to eat.
Question answered.
Yeah. Willow.
House from the cemetery to a school of all places.
Because they're
Maybe
students.
Whoever did it had some business in the neighborhood.
Whoever made those incisions really knew what they were doing.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. What student here is going to be that well versed in physiology?
I can think of 5 or 6 guys in the science club. And me.
So Will, come clean.
Yeah.
Never do it again, and we'll call it.
I love Xander. He's gonna do it to make her jealous.
Great. I'll try.
Oh, no, he's actually not agreed. But I like Cordelia. Come on. I mean, it's not like she's doing anything wrong. She literally doesn't know anything about him. Like, nothing. She literally doesn't know shit about him, so I can't really blame her for wanting to be reassured. Like, seriously, I think you could do a countdown of people finding dead bodies.
I'm going out, Mom.
She doesn't care. Or is too grief.
I'll be back later, okay?
Aw.
Mom?
Oh, it's a... Yeah. I thought it was just a random game.
Authorized, and I cannot condone it.
Fine, your bags
Okay.
are covered. Wanna grab a locker?
Yes, of course.
You just wanted to put it out there.
It's on your annoying little mind.
Oh, the...
Ooh, I haven't read this one.
It's like me getting distracted while I clean.
Guys,
I do that all the time. Oh, that's kind of sus.
I think it's fair to say Chris is involved.
he's in a corpse, all right, but we still.
Yeah, exactly. Because he was like, oh, Cordelia is kind of our type, but she's alive. So honestly, my mind went to the disgusting habit of... There's a name for that. I don't remember what it is. But it's like people... I feel weird saying this. Raping dead bodies. And there's an actual name for that. And that's what came to mind. But I don't think this show is going to go this dark. Yeah, okay.
You say what can make me feel this way.
Why?
How's my baby?
She's not your baby.
She's not gonna be anybody's baby if we don't finish her soon.
I'm working on it.
So am I, friend. So am I.
Oh, those pictures weren't... Why? I'm still confused though.
Any sign of our suspects?
Not yet. I don't get it. Why would anybody want to make a girl?
I mean, when there's so many pre-made ones just laying around, the more attainable, the more attractive.
He's right. It's not aim at all. Of course
The
not.
unattainable would include everyone that's alive.
Eric's sick enough to do something like this, but what about Chris? He seems like a human person.
Yeah, that's what I don't get.
No.
Ah, forgot about this.
Reanimation of dead tissue.
Do I deconstruct your segues?
Hey,
Oh, yes. Hello.
still no sign of our mad doctors?
Very good.
What's your laptop?
He's like, what's a laptop?
What? Oh, don't.
Best of luck.
Good morning, Rupert.
Miss Calendar.
Oh, no, please, call me Jenny. Ms. Calendar's my father.
Miss?
You know...
He's so cute.
Rupert, look, I've got to get inside and set up the lab.
What I'm proposing is...
I gotta go. Sorry.
Darn it. I mean, I expected that, but darn it.
Yeah, you seem surprised.
No,
Because he wasn't going.
I just assumed that you spent your evenings downloading incantations and casting bones.
On game night, are you nuts? You're going too, right? So we should just
Never
go again?
been.
Look, I can pick you up after school.
It's
and we'll
like
go
a
to you
date.
on the way if you like. How do you feel about Mexican? Good. Okay. And then whatever it is you want to tell
She
me,
said
you just
Mexican.
tell me then, okay?
Okay. Tonight, then.
I want to get ahead.
Maybe an electrical current combined with an adrenaline boost.
For the love of God, can somebody scratch my nose?
Xander's the best.
That's no coincidence.
Maybe they fit.
Or girls, technically.
Thank you, Xander, for that.
And what are they gonna do with her?
I don't think we have to worry about that just yet. I spoke to a press person this morning about the remains. The police have finished sorting through them, and apparently they found 3 heads in the dumpster.
And turn up the current. That'll buy us a day at least. We will lose the entire body if we don't attach a head soon. We have time. We don't! Crash with the girls was lucky. Drop a head in our laps.
But why didn't you take the heads?
Kill anyone. Please. Understand, I can't do that. Please, don't make me.
But you gave me your word.
Who is that?
You promised me, little brother.
What?
The body is perfect. And if we harvest a head tonight, she'll be ready by sunrise.
When you brought me back, you promised you'd take care of me. I need this, Chris. I need someone.
Daryl's gonna drive.
Help me, brother.
How did you even bring him back?
Thank you. Show me.
He wants a girlfriend, basically?
My girl. Talking about my girl. My girl.
I checked the obits. Nothing that would make for a likely candidate.
They seem kind of picky for guys with 3 heads to begin with.
I think anyone who cuts dead girls into little pieces does not get the benefit of any doubt. I want to end this thing now.
That's true, though.
Okay, fine. You guys go to Eric's, we can go to Chris's and meet up.
I'm supposed to be at the big game.
Fine, go ahead. We'll take care of this. It's just a ghoul.
I mean, as soon as you accept to kill someone, it's bad.
Hi, I'm a friend of Chris's. I kind of need to talk to him. Do you know if he's home?
November 17th, 95. Daryl rushed 185 yards that night, 4 TDs. He was MVP, and he made All-City that season.
She's just completely lost in her grief. He's actually alive and killing someone. Oh my god, but that means that the guy is there though. Even if Chris and Eric are not there, the guy is there. I mean, she's the most able to defend herself, but... At least he didn't get her. But of course, like...
Cordelia, what are you doing in here? Is something wrong? Lisa, where's Cordelia? Cordelia has a game to think about. She doesn't need losers like you.
Oh, shut the fuck up, bitch.
I'm sorry.
At least he's human.
Don't worry, he's gone. I thought we went down to the field when Chris came in and all of a sudden someone jumped me. Shh, come on, relax. Take it easy. That's a fight song. Oh my...
I would have not. I mean, against humans, she can defend herself, that's for sure. But against a zombie?
You and
That's no excuse. What you're doing is wrong.
I have to do this for him.
She doesn't know that he's back, so she doesn't get it.
Who, Eric? He needs industrial strength therapy.
She got it.
Oh my god.
You promised me! You promised! I want not to be alone!
It's not too late.
And he's like a lot more willing.
Up a date.
I don't think Daryl... Is that his name? Yes. I don't think Daryl was like that before, though. I mean, it's gonna be hard to get her. She's literally in the center of attention. Like, everybody's watching. Well, not her, necessarily.
I don't know what it is about football that does it for me. I mean...
I just think it's rather odd that a nation that prides itself on its virility should feel compelled to strap on 40 pounds of protective gear just in order to play rugby.
Is this
Yeah,
your
that's fair.
strategy for a first date? Dissing my country's national pastime?
Did you just say a date?
Oh my god.
So what's the score?
They're so clueless. Kids. I'm legit getting kind of scared. Because even if this guy is supernatural, the other guy is just pure horror. He's human. He's just like fucked up. Ah, Cordelia! Don't you dare. But he was still himself, so I think she's just, I don't know if she's just gonna remember.
Just take off the blindfold. I promise I won't scream. I promise.
She's beautiful.
No! It's bad luck for the groom to see the bride before the wedding.
Please.
Scream all you want. We're in an abandoned building. Okay, that's enough.
You were always good to me.
For what?
You're gonna feel a little pinch, maybe some discomfort around the neck area. But don't worry. When you wake up, you'll have the body of a 17-year-old.
You're already 17.
In fact, you'll have the body of several.
Yeah, she'd still be herself.
He was here, Chris.
Everything.
But how did you do it in the first place?
Now find Xander and Willow and tell them what's going on.
Is it the thing they mentioned? That like the brain cells that need to be fresh?
Daryl, please. You don't have to do this.
We have to, so we can be together.
Oh my god, that's so fucked
We'll
up.
be together anyway. I'll be... No. No, please. Buffy, help me.
Daryl, listen. I know what you're doing, okay? Your brother sent me to stop you.
So he's still... Oh no, that's pretty big strength. Oh, you just said... I mean, I don't think you're gonna live at all. I mean, you deserve it. Go in jail. You're about to kill someone. Go, Buffy! Oh, yes, the gasoline! Is that a phone?
Get Cordelia!
Xander! Get me out of here!
I mean, you could have maybe freed your legs. I'm not sure about your arms, but... Okay, he came. Yes, please. Put him in prison. Don't let him run. Oh, that must have been hot, but that worked, I guess.
She's mine! Daryl! Daryl! No. Be together always.
That was not the episode I expected to have. Gotta be honest with you.
The first time he woke up after, he said I shouldn't have brought him back. I was just trying to look out for him. Like,
Although a good rule of thumb for a first date is don't do anything so exciting that it'll be hard to tell.
Believe it or not, since I moved here to live on top of the Hellmouth, the events of this evening actually qualify as a slow night.
it kind of does. Oh, she said it last time as well. Oh, I'm glad. Especially, there's not gonna be a big problem of like, oh, you never told me supernatural stuff, blah blah blah, because, well, she already knows. She's part of it.
The world is a giant game of musical chairs, and the music stopped, and we're the only ones who don't have a chair.
All the time. Xander,
She.
I just wanted to thank you for saving my life. What you did in there was really brave and heroic, and I just wanted to tell you if there was anything I could ever do to...
Do you mind? We're talking here. I think that is.
I mean, what you just said. But you don't like her, so. Who
God,
cares?
the whole thing was so creepy. And at the same time, I mean, he did do it.
But do you know when you're about to kill
What
someone,
makes you do the wacky?
What?
cut bodies?
Crazy stuff.
Oh. Crazy like a 241-year-old being jealous of a high school junior?
At least you're self-aware.
Messing up.
I thought about it. Maybe it bothers me a little.
I don't love Xander.
Yeah, but he's in your life. He gets to be there when I can't.
Aw.
I don't look that good in direct light.
You look gorgeous, girl.
It'll be morning soon.
I should probably go.
Because it's kind of like an impossible thing, isn't it, to be together in the way that they, like he said, they never spend time together unless it's the night. Daryl. Well, that was a nice episode. I really liked it. It was kind of similar to the vibes that we got from season 1, and I like that. Xander was so full of jokes today. It was like impossible, like, to not to like to just sometimes I just couldn't react because it was just going on and on and on about certain jokes. I mean, she was like, yeah, he was so sweet, he died for his brothers, and you know, I mean, I get the idea of wanting to bring back someone that you lost in the way that, like, everyone, I think if they had the chance with no consequences to bring back a loved one, like with no consequences, would do it. Okay, like there was consequences in the way that the guy was like, first, I don't really know how he did it. Like I said, they maybe explained, but like concrete said how they did it, I don't think so. And I think he also went a little cuckoo, and he didn't want to be brought back in the way that, like, he would never be able to, like, be out again, see people again, all that stuff. So it's rough. It's rough. Yeah, but still, you know, at least Chris was reluctant, but the fact that he accepted to kill someone is still like, okay, bro. And Eric was just full on willing, didn't even seem to mind at all. So that guy deserves to go in jail, because what the fuck. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Before I do the whole outro thing, there is a Discord that my lovely mod Palisade made, with a bunch of Buffy reactors. So if you guys want to meet new people and talk about Buffy and like see new channels on YouTube of people reacting to Buffy, there's the link below to the Discord if you want to use it, for like just to meet. We reactors, we can't get into like certain channels, and I think most channels I can get to just because of spoilers, so you don't have to worry about that for most channels. Just read the rules though. Read the rules, because I'm not sure if I remember exactly. You get updates every time a streamer or a YouTuber uploads something, so that's super nice. So you guys should check it out. It was made for you. It was made for fans for Buffy. And then yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't be afraid to leave a like, comment what you thought below, check out my Patreon for uncut reaction, and subscribe to see more, and I'll see you later. Ciao.